So while I was doing the cleaning, I found the pin. So this is the lower pin for the disc brake caliper. And actually this one is not metal, this is the rubber sleeve. And this structure here, the rubber sleeve, just push it over, here's the stopper, so it just stayed there. So this, I think, is a good design. If you have a rubber here, it will not seized easily. So I think it will prevent your pin stuck in the hole of the brake caliper carrier. That's a good design, I think. Look at these two slide pins. They are different. So you can see this one with the rubber sleeve and stop, and it's put the rubber over there. So actually inside the hole is actually sliding on the rubber. And this one is just everywhere steel, but we do have some kind of a flat. I think there are 3 flat around here, and for that long there are 3 flat, and here it's just round. And another difference is, so this is the top slide pin and this is the bottom slide pin. The shape is also different from the top. You can see, and this one is just equal, parallel, and for this top pin, so one side is bigger than the other side. This side is smaller and this side is bigger, and the same with the other side of the brake. So they're different, so don't mix them up. And originally from the car, at least I didn't change anything. And the caliper carrier, the slide pin, and this is the top, this is the bottom. 2 sides the same, and it should be by design, I think. So when you put them back, don't mix them up. Remember which is top, which is bottom. So top, bottom, bottom with a rubber sleeve there. Look at this as well. You see, this is the bottom, it's a parallel, and this is the top pin. So this side is smaller, that side is bigger. So this caliper carrier is from driver side, right side. So